Hello everybody, and today I will be filming an opening of Dragons of Tarkir. And finally I've come up with a name of what I'm going to call for this week. It's going to be called Startup Week. And every year I'm going to do 7 days actually, of videos. One on each day, and maybe probably two if I can. But right now I'm going to be doing Tarkir Tuesday, so let's get into this. Let me just open up the cardboard. I would love to get a Narset. That would be amazing. All right, I'm trying to open this up. Sorry for the darkness. I just sat down. All right. So I got Scream Reach Brawler, Resupply. Ah, dang. And everybody, I come from a not so rich family, so I might not be able to buy packs like every day or anything like that. I don't have my own job because I'm only 12, so can't do that. So yeah, this is really cool to be able to get packs like this. But I'm starting to get an allowance, so I might open up some packs every week or something. Whenever Hardened Berserker attacks, the next spell you cast this turn costs 1 less to cast. That's cool. Colossadon Yearling. Durger Nemesis. That's pretty cool. Ojutai's Breath. Custodian of the Trove. Summit Prowler. Stampeding Elk Herd. Formidable. Oh, okay, that's cool. Alright, starting the uncommons. Enduring Scale Lord. Sorry, I've never seen these cards, so I'm just looking at them too. Oh, more. Lightning Berserker. Last uncommon. Surge of Righteousness. And my last one, Stratus Dancer. Oh, that's cool. Alright. So, let me just go over what I got. I was hoping for an Narset, but, I guess you can't get everything. Oh, I have a morph counter. I've never had one of these before. Alright, so, let's see what I got. I got a morph counter, which is pretty cool. I like that. Surge of Righteousness. Lightning Berserker, and Enduring Scale Lord, Stampeding Elk Herd, Summit Prowler, Custodian of the Trove, Jutai's Breath, Durger Nemesis, what's that? Colossadon Yearling, Hardened Berserker, Grave Purge, Resupply, and Scream Reach Brawler. Okay, so thanks for watching everybody, and that is Tarkir Tuesday.